Welcome everybody. Today we got small die-cast, or some partly die-cast models going up this week. The top shell is die-cast, the bottom is plastic. Got landing gears that don't look anything like the genuine landing gears on the Falcon. Rotating radar dish and quad cannon. See, which has seen better days. Let's see, bring you on in. Quad cannon appears to have been bent up out of shape by a child. I don't know, it's pretty foggy, but Han and Chewie are sitting here in the cockpit. I think it's supposed to be Han and Chewie. It looks like it. One definitely shorter and taller. Let's see, what is the Kenner, what year is this? 1979. So this must have been for Empire then. But I was like, I got several of them I'm going to show off this week. Got no real details. There was never any paint on any of that. It's just straight up the white plastic, riveted together. Looks like. And I say, you can tell for some reason they spent all the money on the top, I guess. This is the only one. Well, no, there is one more that the canopy survived. That all the other ones they've since gone. But that's about all I got for that one. Sort of, this is the kind of stuff that we would buy. I'm sure. I'm like, this is one of those things I'm 99% sure was my brother's, and I just ended up with it when he moved off. But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from.